Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to unlock a secure PDF for free using your internet browser. First of all, we open the PDF file. Right-click on the PDF file, then click on Open with, then click on Chrome browser. Once it's open, click on the print icon, then click on Destination, then select Save as PDF. Then click on Save. After that, select the folder to save the PDF. After that, open the folder of the PDF. Then open the PDF by double-clicking on it. It will be open. Now, you can see you can change anything in the folder. You can select the folder or change the color, and you can do anything with this PDF. And now, this PDF has been unlocked. That's the way to unlock a secure PDF for free using your internet browser. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section. If you found this helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.